In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background of a Trello board in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to make your board more visually appealing or simply want a fresh look, this is a simple process that can greatly enhance your Trello experience. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Trello's website. If you haven't yet bookmarked Trello, it's a good idea to do so for quicker access in the future. Now that you're at the Trello homepage, you'll need to log into your account. Trello offers multiple login options, including email and password, as well as the possibility to log in via Google or Microsoft accounts. Pick the method that suits you best and proceed with signing in. Once you're logged in, the next step is to select the workspace that contains the board you wish to update. In Trello, workspaces help you organize boards while keeping everything accessible. If you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure you select the correct one, or you might end up changing the background of a different board than you intended. After selecting your workspace, it's time to locate the specific board you want to modify. When you click on the board, it will open up in its usual layout, displaying all your lists and cards. Notice the top right corner of the screen. There's a button that looks like an ellipsis, or 3 dots in a row. This is where you'll find additional settings for your board. Click on the ellipsis to reveal a drop-down menu filled with various options. Under the Settings menu, you'll see an option labeled Change Background. Click on it to proceed. This is where the fun really begins, as you'll be presented with a variety of options to customize your board's appearance. You have the choice between photos, colors, or even custom backgrounds. If you're feeling inspired, opt for the photo option, where you can select from a diverse library of images provided by Trello. On the other hand, if simplicity is more your style, you might prefer selecting a solid color. And for those who want a completely unique look, a custom background might be the way to go. This allows you to upload your own image, giving you creative freedom to personalize your Trello board just the way you like it. Once you've made your selection, you'll notice that the change is applied immediately, transforming the look and feel of your board. This real-time update ensures that you can see exactly how your new background appears, allowing you to make adjustments if necessary. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effortlessly change your Trello board background. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in next time for more helpful tips and tricks.